Alright, hey guys, this is my bike check again, just redoing it. Died and I was all sick and shit, still am, and I got new parts, new tires. I told this one guy I'd redo it for him, but here we go. Alright, so we got ODI grips, yeah, got United Trinity bars, 28 wide, Primo Annihilator stem. Best stem ever, never slips or anything. I can't really see that. Eastern headset. Fit Shiv 2 forks. There's the top cap on it. Front wheel is just a stock off my friend's Colony. Just some shit. Need to replace it, as you can see. That's not rust, it's dirt. Tire. Just got the Demolition Momentum 2.35. It's great, very thick. A little dirt on there, but oh well. Oh, as for the frame, America Chocolate, repainted a few times. So I got a bunch of scratches. There's still some like on the bottom, but seat. Shadow Slimmer. Getting a new fly lungs. This one's all beat up, so it's really nasty, but still works, whatever. Integrated seat plant. Chain, can't see. It's normal. Get a new one also when my new fly seat comes, because this is white. Doesn't match my bike. Zippers, a Skeleton Crew sprocket. 25 tooth. Rafale TI GDH cranks. Had them forever. Colony Fantastic plastic pedals. Recommend them. They're amazing. Back wheel. Or no, bottom brackets. Colony BB. It's pretty nice. Back wheel. Demolition 2.35 again. Rear rim. Fly bikes. Recommend it to anybody. But yeah. Hub, Eastern Venus. I love it. It's probably the best hub I've ever had. And it's a noise. And there's my bike check. Subscribe, rate, view. Thanks. Watch NHD. Bye.